1985. There was a shoe that was created that changed everything. And it was called the Air Jordan 1. Now, if anybody would tell you anything about me, it would be that I love the Air Jordan 1. And let me tell you why I love the Air Jordan 1. And it's not like a lot of this generation, a lot of people don't even know anything about shoes. They wear them because they see somebody else wear them. They wear them because, hey, it's cool to wear Jordans. But do you know anything about the Air Jordans? And some people never owned more than one pair of Jordans. And then you have people like me and the other sneakerheads that probably have reached hundreds and thousands of Jordans. And the reason for that is because in 1985, people like me actually wanted to be like Mike. I had an opportunity to see this great basketball player perform throughout the late 80s, early 90s, wearing these exact shoes, the Air Jordan 1. So to see what he did in those shoes made me want to buy them. But what Nike has done to the designs has made them dope. So that's enough about the origin. Let's talk a little bit about the Air Jordan 1 Mid. This is a dope shoe. Let's talk about the box. You see the greatest player of all time on the box. Of course, that's his Airness Jumpman logo in its gold. For sure. All right, let's return the box around. Let's read a little bit about what's inside. This is the Air Jordan 1 Mid. Now, let's look at the retail price. That is at $110, and this is a size 11. And this is the black team red white Chicago colorway. Now, if you turn the box around, of course, the most important thing about this box is certified Nike stamp of approval. It's like I tell you, if you want to make sure all your shoes are authentic, look for that on the bottom of the box. But okay. Let's open this up and let's take a look at these bad boys. Bam! Wow. It doesn't get any better than that. These are amazing. Let's take them out. Oh, that feels good. I can feel the leather instantly on these shoes. Set that one there. Set this one here. And as you can see inside the box, as usual, hey, Jordan left us some paper with 23 all on it that we're gonna keep because these shoes are so expensive. All right, let's hit that one there. You can look at it, and we're gonna sit this one here. So we can talk a little bit about it. All right, here we go. How about like this? Yeah. Okay. Now, let's talk a little bit about the design of the Air Jordan 1 Mid, because these shoes are released in so many different formats. They're like probably the most sold Jordans of all time because they released them in so many different styles. This Air Jordan 1 Mid, this is the mid-cut version of the original iconic Air Jordan 1, a fan favorite since 1985, of course. Also, this shoe would probably go down as one of the greatest colorways ever because, you know, it's the same color as the Chicago Bulls uniform. They have the red, black, white. We all know that is Chicago. Now for this Jordan brand version, it's a combination of full grain leather, and a nubuck upper. All of this leather. You could feel it, and you know it's leather. Now let's take a tour of the shoe. In the front, you have the signature Air Jordan logo, Jumpman logo. On this other side, you have the Nike swoosh, and you have, of course, the Air Jordan logo with the wings. This feels great. Can't stop rubbing on the shoe. On the back, you have the Jumpman logo. On the bottom, you have the Nike and the swoosh logo. And let's take a look inside. And of course, you know, they're brand new. Sneakerheads, you guys know about this. We keep them fresh. You smell it. Yeah, buddy. You want to understand that. Inside, we have the black Jumpman logo. The best thing about this shoe is the colorway, the leather, the look. You can wear these with anything, short span. The Jordan 1s is so versatile. You could wear anything with them, and you could, you know, do just about any combination of dress code with them, man. Shorts, shirts, hoodies, on the basketball court. People work in these. I've seen cats wrestle in these. They're just that certified dope. But they have a combination of full grain leather, like I was saying, and a nubuck upper. And inside here, right up in here, that is a perforated box up in here, toe box for extra breathing, for extra breathability, pretty much. You see it's vented out. And a solid rubber console, like all this is rubber. So you can get the skirp when you stopping, pulling up for that J. But these shoes are just great in every way, man. There's nothing you can say or can do that would go wrong with the Jordan 1. I'm gonna get these Air Jordan 1 Mid Chicago colorway. Absolutely, a 10 out of 10. Like this video, leave your comments. Oh, and by the way, stay tuned because I have a special pair of Jordans that I will be unboxing. I'm not gonna say the date, but it's gonna be very soon, the days to come. I have a surprise for everyone. So I've been working so much. I try to put work in between, you know, owning businesses, running things, and school, being a YouTuber. And I want to say thank all my YouTube subscribers. You know, and I want to thank the extra 50 that I just got on yesterday. Continue to like these videos. I have something on my channel for everybody. I try to be versatile as well as positive. No negative air will be breathed on this channel. So like this video, leave your comments and subscribe. The Air Jordan 1. Later.